Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm just gonna show you how I quickly paint this little mini landscape for my Christmas ornaments. They're coming out in November, so if you don't want to miss this, make sure to go down below in the description and sign up for my newsletter so that you get notified as soon as they are out. Also, subscribers get access earlier than the rest of the world, so if you want exclusive access to these ornaments, make sure to sign up. And I know like this video is just gonna be like this, just a quick little time lapse of me painting, but if you guys actually want me to like talk through how I paint this or something similar to this, obviously not the exact same one, comment below and let me know if you would like to see an actual tutorial on how I prep the wood ornaments and how I like paint on this and stuff. All right, let me know.